they have some cool stuff here. But so the Toyota Chaser on this Walmart. Wow. Okay. So we found two good ones here. I'm not sure if you can find any other new diecasts. Let's go ahead and check around. There's a new mirror. This is new. Audi e-tron. Wow. They've got some good stuff here. Here a Wagoneer. What else do they have? Huh. I'm seeing new casting for some reason. There's a new Corvette. Let's see. Not a good sign when you see a BMW missing. Prices. How much is this? Speed on it's 417. So that's 417. Oh, this is new. These are Z custom. Cool. That's a new cast. It's not a pretty sight whenever you see a dumping that looks like this. I'm looking at first glance and it's not very promising. I don't see any signs of a P-case. What's this? So let's go ahead and check. There's a few. There's a K-case. Yep. This bin has seen better days. So we're gonna skip it. It doesn't look like it's that deep. Yeah, there's no sign of a P-case. Oh well, off to the next one. So we're looking for, we just found a Target inside the university. And they look like they are NKs. It's a very small Target. So we're not seeing anything special. We're trying to see if we can find one. I doubt we can find one. There is nothing here. Alright, we'll go to the next one. Ooh, it's a beautiful R1. Damn. That's a nice R1. That's crazy. So we're still looking for the A-Team van and I still don't see it. The Johnny lighting or the green lights section. Possibly I won't be able to see it, but this is new though. You can modify a cartoon. I think this is a Supra, which is actually cool. Huh. For $15. They have the complete set here. So we have to go for wow. They have everything here. Yeah, the Celica. Oh, it's a complete. Well, is it a complete set? 8. Let's see what's not here. I think all of them are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all 8 of them are here. So that's $40 for all of them. Cool. Okay, we spotted a clearance sale And this thing is $17.99. It was, I'm sorry, $24.99. I wonder why it's on sale. Well, let's check the price. Let's check it. There's nothing new in the action figure. Let's see where the checker is. Oh man, that's far. Let's go closer. Let's see. Oh, it is $17.49. $7. Why is it in clearance? 30% off. Nobody wants it? Iron Spider. Okay, we're looking at this 20 pack. I see something interesting here. I see a CRX. I see a Forerunner. What else is good? Oh, they're all the same. Alright. They're all the same. There's nothing new in this 20 pack. Let's check the 8 pack. This one's, oh, that was a good one. Trying to see a Skyline that has all of it. Okay, it doesn't have it. Oh, that's gonna fall. Ooh, what is this? Why are they coming back? Q case from last year? Huh. Weird. Restocking is going back. I don't know why. Let's see. Anything in the new hot ones? Nothing. I don't see anything interesting to pick. Alright, off to the next one. Okay, we're seeing a new casting. This Buick National looks cool. Wow. Okay, what's in here? Let's see, what do we have? Toyota SR5? Is this a Toyota truck? This is a Toyota truck. What else? What else do we have here? Wow, GTO Dodge. GTO Dodge. Dodge. Okay. Do we have any Chase? No. There's no Chase. That's an Impala. I see an Impala. Alright, so I see a Hachiroku. We see Toyota Supra. Okay, these are cool. Maybe just one. Let's see what else we have here. I'm gonna keep checking until I find the 18 van. Let's see, 18 van. Is there any 18 van? I don't see the 18 van. I don't see any 18. Oh, this is cool. And the dualies are nice. It's a nice, it's a dually. Yeah, it is. It's a nice dually. $10.99. Wow, okay. It's another dually. It's a police dually. Oops. Everything's falling. Oh, everything's falling off. Let me put this back. Alright. Man, I'm getting clumsy today. Let's see. There's no 18 van. I still don't see the 18 van. Any 18 van? Nope. What's that? A Plymouth Cuda, Barrett Jackson. What else do we have here? Oh, that's a cool half truck. That's a nice half truck. Alright. We have wow. I don't see any 18 van. What is this? Red Runner. Valère. Let's see. Oops, I've seen that one. Oops. Everything keeps falling off. Johnny Lightning. Dodge Viper. Let's check this out. Huh. Cool. Just cool casting. First time seeing that casting. Let's see. Right now I'm keeping my hands on this Buick Grand National until I find something good. Right now it's slim pickings. I'm not seeing anything that I like. Okay, there is nothing here. Anything on the Majorette? Nope. Nothing in a 2-pack. What's this? Another truck. It's a Ram 1500. Generally lighting their Hellcat, Dodge Challenger, Perry Dodge. Okay. Anything else? Let's look. I like this one. I have this one already. The Lowrider Super Deluxe. Four-door Ford. You got a Volkswagen panel van. Chevron. Okay, so this is Cabbage Patch Kids Ford Mustang. Let's check out this Cuda. Not my style. Okay.
Margarita code 1 to your register. Margarita code 1.
We have anything on the M2s? Nothing on the M2s. Anything over? Let's see. Anything here? Nothing. Oops, what's this? What do we have here? I think that's it for now. Nothing. This is not a chase. I like this Impala. This Impala is nice. This Toyota is nice. It's okay, I guess. 85 Toyota. But the Buick Grand National stands out. The Pontiac Judge. This guy. This one is cool. I don't know. Let's see. Let me think about this one.